Hey guys, I have came up with new video how to install MySQL Workbench and MySQL on your laptop. Yeah, so let's start. So first search MySQL. Click on the first link you see. So after clicking, go to downloads. Scroll down. You will see MySQL Community GPL download. So just click on that. So here you can see MySQL installer for Windows. Just click on that. After clicking on that, you will see this 8.0.29 is the latest version. So just click on download. Here they will ask for the free account. You can create or you can just no thanks and just start my download. You can just click on this. So it will take some time to download. Just wait. Till that you can subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Yeah, so download has been finished. Just click on that. It will take some time. It will ask for permission. Just click on yes. Yeah. So here you can see the setup type, which is developer default. In developer default, you will get MySQL server, MySQL shell, and MySQL router. Also MySQL workbench, MySQL for Visual Studio, and MySQL connectors. And this second one is server only, so you will get only MySQL server product. So this second one server only, in this you will get MySQL server product. So this is client only full. If you want full installation, you can just click here, and I'll do custom because we want to install MySQL server and workbench. So just click on next. So after clicking on next, you will see MySQL server. Just click on this plus icon. After clicking, again click on this MySQL server. Here you can see this 8.0 is the latest version. Just click on that. So just click on this 8.0 and select this first one and click on this arrow. In application, select this MySQL Workbench. In MySQL Workbench, select this first one, which is the latest version. Select this first one and just click on the arrow. So if you want this Visual Studio shell router, you can select this as per your requirement. I'm selecting this both. Just click on next. After clicking on next, yeah, so it will ask for path and my path is already been exist. So you just keep all default setting. Just click on next. So just click on execute and don't worry about that warning. The path which is been added, it is already existed in my PC. So just don't worry about it. Just click on execute. So it will install. It will take some time to install. Just wait for it. Yeah, so installation is finished. So just click on next. Again, click on next. Keep the default setting and click on next. So this is the authentication method. So just keep this default one. We will set the password. Just click on next and type your password. Click on check. As I told that I'm having MySQL, so it is asking for my current root password. So I have added, and in your PC for the first time it will ask to create the password. Just create the password and click on next. So after that just click on next. So click on execute so that it will execute. So just click on finish. Just click on next again and finish. Yeah, so it has been installed. Just search for my workbench, MySQL workbench. So here it is the root. You can just click on that. It will ask for a password. Just enter the password which you have set. Just click OK. So here you can just create the database. Create database. You can write anything. Sample 2. Then use database. You can execute. So here you can see the lightning option. You can just click on that. It will be executed. Yeah, so it has been successfully executed. You can check on CMD also. Just search for CMD. Open CMD. For path, you can just go in File Explorer. Go to this PC. Go to C drive. In C drive, click on Program Files. In Program Files, go to MySQL. In MySQL Server, just click on the bin. You can copy this path. In command prompt, write cd. Yeah, so we have gone in the bin path. So here you can simply write MySQL root. It will ask for password. Just enter the password. Yeah, so we are in MySQL. So just you can write show databases. Yeah, so here you can see that sample database we have created. You can use the database and write the further query. Database has been changed. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. So I'll be back with another video soon. Bye bye.